Hi, today we are going to discuss the topic 4th class IIT Maths Mensuration Part 3. First, we recollect the formulae. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into L plus B units. Perimeter of square equals to 4A units. Perimeter of equilateral triangle equals to 3A units. Perimeter of regular pentagon equals to 5A units. Perimeter of regular hexagon equals to 6A units. Perimeter of regular octagon equals to 8A units. Perimeter of triangle with the lengths of sides are A, B, C equals to A plus B plus C units. Today we solve few more problems. What is the problem given? A page is 25 centimeters long and 20 centimeters wide. Find the perimeter of this page. Generally, if in a problem they mention just a page, we need to think it as rectangle. But either rectangle or square based on the value. So if the side just mentioned as one side, all sides are equal and the side is some x centimeters, then we can take it as square page. Otherwise, if they given long and wide, this length and breadth, different values, then we need to consider the page is a rectangular page. Rectangle. The page shape is rectangle. So, just we draw a rough diagram. The page is a rectangle page. Why this is rectangle we are considering? Because the page is 25 centimeters long and 20 centimeters wide. The length and breadth are different. If the length and breadth are different, then we need to take it as rectangular page. The length is 25 centimeters, breadth is 20 centimeters. The problem is straightforward. They have given clearly the different values. So it is a rectangle shape. So we need to find the perimeter of this page. Perimeter of this page means we have to, as the page is rectangle shape, we need to take the formula of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. First, we write the values of the length and breadth separately. Length, L, length, L equals to 25 centimeters and breadth B equals to 20 centimeters. Now we write down the formula. Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into L plus B units. So what we have to take? Therefore, perimeter of given page equals to 2 into L. We have to take the value of L. What is it? 25 plus B. What is the B value? 20. Here, units. What is the units they have given in the problem? Centimeters. So, in the place of units, we have to mention centimeters. So we do calculations. First equals to, from here we have to start. Rewrite the values with simplifications. So equals to 2 into bracket. Within bracket what is there? 25 plus 20. What is the 25 plus 20 value? 25 plus 20, 45. So 22 into 45 centimeter. So what is the value of 2 into 45? 45 into 2 we need to do 90. So 90 centimeters. So perimeter of given page equals to 90 centimeters. Which option is the one? The option A is the correct one. Now we see the second problem. What is the problem given? Meenu wants to put a lace border all around a rectangle table cover. Rectangle table cover 2 meter long and 1 meter wide. Find the length of the lace required by Meenu. So, in the problem, it's clearly mentioned rectangle table cover. So, no need of thinking of whether it is square or rectangle. They clearly mentioned it's a rectangle. And what they mentioned? So, first we just draw a rough diagram as rectangle table cover. Rectangle table cover, and the values of long, how the table cover is 2 meters long and 1 meter wide. Now what Meenu wants? To put a lace border all around the table cover, so the lace border will be put around the table cover, means it's almost equals to perimeter. Why? What is the perimeter? The total length of the edge of the closure shape. We already discussed. So here the length of lace also the same. The lace is also we put around through the edges of the table cover. So the length of lace is none other than perimeter of table cover. So we need to find out the perimeter of this table cover will give the length of the lace. First we take the length of table cover. L equals to 2 meter. Breadth B equals to 1 meter. As the lace border, put edges of the table cover. The total length of lace required is equals to what? Perimeter of table cover. One more point, what? This table cover is in the shape of rectangle. So the perimeter of table cover, for this perimeter of table cover we use the formula of perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into L plus B. What is the value of L? L is 2 and breadth is 1. 2 plus 1. In the place of units we need to mention meters, M. So 2 into 2 plus 1, 3 meters, that equals to 6 meters. So what is the answer? 6 meters. Option D is the correct one. The next problem is an athlete takes 10 rounds. An athlete takes 10 rounds. An athlete takes 10 rounds of a rectangular park which is 40 meters long and 30 meters wide. Find the total distance by him. Total distance by him. Here, so many points we need to take. First point, the athlete takes the 10 rounds. 10 rounds of a rectangular park. So, it's clearly mentioned the park shape is rectangular. So, first we draw a rectangle shape. What is the values given? The length and breadth of the rectangular park 40 meters long. 40 meters long and 30 meters wide. And what the athlete is doing? He takes rounds. Rounds means it's clearly we need to guess he is moving through the edge of the park. We need to consider he is running through the edge of the park. So he starts from here and runs and comes to this end point. This will makes one round. This makes one round. If he starts from here and completely, when he comes to again to the starting point, this becomes one round. One round. So if he run one round means he is covering perimeter of the rectangular park. It is clear, it is indirectly we can consider it as he is completing one perimeter of rectangular park. One perimeter of rectangular park. So we first here the points what got, the park shape is rectangle and he is taking one round which is equal that if he run one round means he is covering perimeter of park. So we do calculation of perimeter first. First we take length and breadth of the park. Length L equals to 40 meters and breadth B equals to 30 meters. Now the athlete takes one round equals to perimeter of park. So if we want to measure the one round means we have to calculate the perimeter of park. So as the perimeter is in the rectangular shape, we need to take the formula of perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. We substitute a value of 2 into, we substitute values of LB which are L 40 plus B 30. That equals to 2 into 40 plus 30, 70. 2 into 70 equals to 140. What is the unit for this one problem? M, meters. 140 meters. So the athlete takes one round means 140 meters. One round 140 meters. How much? One round. One round is 140 meters. But the athlete takes 10 rounds. The athlete takes 10 rounds. Means 140 into 10. For 140 meters, then 10 rounds means 140 into 10. That equals to 1400. What is the unit in this problem? Meter. So, the athlete covered for 10 rounds, he covered 1400 meters. Which option is the correct one? Option A is the correct one. The next problem is find the cost of fencing a rectangular park of length 10 meters and breadth 5 meters at the rate of 10 rupees per meter. Here we need to consider the points. The park shape, rectangular park, and the park is rectangular park and the length is 10 meter, breadth is 5 meter and the cost per meter is 10 rupees. So, what they have given? First, the shape. So, first we take the shape. Rectangular park. So, we draw a rectangle and give the values as just I am drawing a rough diagram, okay? And what are the values they have given? 10 meters long and 5 meters breadth. And what they are asking, find the cost of fencing. Fencing generally where the fencing will put. The fencing will be placed at the border of the building, park, for anything the fencing will be at the borders. So the fencing length is equals to perimeter of this rectangle park. So first we calculate the fencing length, how much length it is taking. So the length of park equals to perimeter of park. So equals to perimeter of park. The park shape they are given rectangular. So we have to take the formula of perimeter of rectangle, that is 2 into L plus B units. First we need to take the length, right? Length L equals to 10 meters. Breadth equals to B equals to 5 meters. So in the place of L and B we put 10 plus 5. In the place of units we have to put meters. So 2 into 10 plus 5, 15 meters. That equals to 30 meters. The length of the edges of the park is 30 meters. So for 30 meters length they have to put fence. So what the cost of fencing per meter? Rupees 10 per meter. Rupees 10 per meter. That is 1 meter cost. 1 meter cost 10 rupees. 1 meter cost 10 rupees. But how many meters is the park is there? 30 meters. So 30 meters cost will be 10 into 30. For 1 meter 10 rupees means 30 meters 10 into 30. That equals to 300 rupees 300. This is the fencing cost. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe for more videos.